Hello. Now it's no secret that MK2 Golfs are pretty easy to break into. And one of the most susceptible parts on the MK2 Golf is sadly the door handle. But don't worry, there's a very easy solution that will help protect your pride and joy from being broken into. And that is these armoured door plates that sit over the handle. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install these and how to add a layer of protection to your pride and joy. So without further ado, this is MK2 Golf Stories. I'm Scott, so let's do it. So as mentioned, these cars are really easy to get into. Don't take a lot to get through this thin layer of metal. Yes, there are other ways to get in your Golf, but this is one of the quickest ways and one of the most silent ways to get in. The alternative way is to do what we did on my old Golf, which is to break one of the windows and open the door. But that makes a lot more noise than simply jimmying your way in. These armour plates sit around the door handle. They're pretty thick and they will add a good extra layer of protection against a thin door skin. So I'm going to show you how to do this now. First thing we need to do is take off this handle. So let's get inside. Just one screw up here. Fuck's sake. It's actually loose, so that's probably why my handle's struggling to close. Yeah, screw comes out. Take this cover off. These things are very brittle, so be careful. There's a screw under here. So take this out. And then your handle should. Okay, now it takes a while to get this out. I don't know why this screw's not. There we go. Then you get your plate. Pops in there. A very good fit though. It's because my door's been painted, but that feels a bit tight. I'm going to have to bend this back a bit. Get your handle. Slide it back into place. Now, the only problem I've got is, from what I can see here, that screw hole doesn't seem to be lining up fully. Let's get this front screw on and we'll try and get that all lined up properly. I won't do this up too tight at first. I guess it's because these are a bit thicker. It's really making it hard work to get that screw in, the hole to line up. Let's take the screw out the front here then. Really need to push that down hard. Get that to start off. Right, I think that's got it. Right, so do this one up before you do the back side. Then you can do this side up, so hopefully pull it all in. top tip, before you shut your door, just make sure you got a way to open it in case, for whatever reason, your handle doesn't work. Let's just give it a try, make sure the handle works. Yep, my handle's always a bit sticky. I think that's because the hinge is dropped. But yeah, that seems okay. Let's make sure that's tight enough. And after you put this front screw in nice and tight, just give this another turn. Make sure that's all tight as well. Okay. Don't forget to put the front rubber on. What an absolute dork. So there we go, that's what it looks like when it's on. Not only does it protect the door, I think it also looks pretty cool as well. Right, that's this side done. I'll crack on and do the other side. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to give me a like, click on subscribe. You can buy me a beer if you want, or you can buy some of this awesome MK2 Golf Stories merch we got on screen. See you in another video again soon. Thanks, bye bye.